Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. For this video, I want to look at a fish that I feel has become a popular member of the cleanup crew, the Bristlenose Pleco. Latin name on screen for y'all now. It's a wonderful addition to smaller tanks when you want someone in your cleanup crew, but you can't add something larger. These guys only get about 6 inches in length, max. They are a much smaller species of Pleco, especially compared to the common Pleco. It's a very popular fish in the hobby for its ease of care, size, efficiency when it comes to cleaning a tank and scraping algae off your various surfaces in your tank. The fish is a member of the freshwater family Loricariidae, as the albino variant of the regular Bristlenose Pleco, so it has a more skin tone to like yellowish color. In nature, these fish are native to South America and can be found in the Amazon River and her tributaries. In nature, they are found in fast-flowing waters and still waters. They average about 5 to 6 inches in the wild, but in the aquarium hobby, they're only going to get about 3 to 4 inches. But you know, a rare occurrence can occur where you get a more wild one that gets a little bit bigger. As a Pleco, they are of course an armored catfish with a flattened body and wide head, with plates that help fend off predators in the wild or some more aggressive tank mates if that happens. Cool thing about these fish is they have kind of like tentacle-like bristles that sprout from their heads when they reach maturity. They have a rounded mouth with elongated lips, which they have adapted over the years to make them incredible sucker fish to help eat algae off of surfaces. These fish have a lifespan of about 3 to 5 years, but of course, all depending on water quality and food. The albino bristlenose is a more solitary fish and peaceful fish, typically hiding under and up inside your decor, only really coming out for food. Mine has been most active at night when the lights are off and the room is dark. They'll be more inclined to eat algae when they're younger and can be seen attached to driftwood and substrate or on the glass chewing. They'll do well in a tank that has some caves or other places that they can hide in. As far as tank parameters goes, they contain a wide temperature range from 60 upwards of 80. I've heard of people that keep them a little hotter. In a pH range of about 6 to 7.5. They can handle most changes in the water if they are subtle and not drastic. And these fish can also, like some veggie diets. So as most algae eaters, they can be fed zucchini and kale. They can take an algae wafer as well, but I've seen in larger tanks, they might get out-competed for that food by other fish. So to avoid that, I will drop the algae wafer or other algae supplement food in the back corner of the tank. We'll feed the rest up front just so they can get to it at some point. Mine also come out and graze on some shrimp food or leftover Cereonip tab that has sunk to the bottom. They will also do well with some natural driftwood in the tank, and is a great source for growing algae on it. Overall, these fish are a wonderful, easy member of any cleanup crew. Even if you don't need them as a cleanup crew and just want to keep something cool in your tank, they'll be perfect for you as well. Overall, I would highly recommend these to anyone that wants a cool fish in their tank. They're extremely easy to care for. So I'm going to give them a 9 out of 10, simply because going back on the fact they can be outcompeted for food and end up starving when they're slightly younger. As always, thank you all so much for the support on the videos, and remember to please, if you haven't already, leave a comment down below, hit that like button, and if you're new and enjoy the content, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, I will see you guys later.